It usually does.
Hi, welcome back. Welcome to, sorry, not welcome
Why are
back.
you wearing the same outfit as last
I'm wearing
episode?
the same outfit because I'm shooting 3 episodes in one day. We got a busy month ahead of us. Billy and I are taking my beautiful granddaughter, Charlotte Ray, to California on Wednesday when my guacamole episode airs. We're taking her to the LA Zoo for spring break, the beach, dinner's out. We're going to have a great time with my sister's family and her favorite cousin Bella. She loves her big cousin Bella, so we're going to go and hang out with them. So I'm doing 3 shows. Today I'm going to show you how you really have fun on keto. This is going to be a keto margarita. So I got this from Amazon. It is so good. You know how like a lot of the sweet stuff you buy from keto, they have that like
What's it called?
It is Skinny Mixes.
Fuck.
Jordan's Skinny Mixes. It was $9.99.
Can you just learn how to read?
Strawberry
Are you drunk
key
right now?
lime margarita.
Are you
Shut
drunk
up.
right
I'm
now?
biting the dog of the hair from the night before.
What?
The hair of the dog.
Yeah.
Whatever. So, it's 1 shot of tequila. And white tequila is better for you when you're on keto.
As opposed to...
I just do a little extra than 1
Yeah, trust me. She'll put another one in there before the end of the show.
I will not. And then it's 2 parts of this. I used a lime on the rim of my glass and dipped it in some tajin. Note to self, if you go to a Mexican market and you want to buy tajin, this is the only size of tajin they have. So I have enough tajin for 800 million margaritas. Okay? So we just shake it in the shaker. I don't think I have the lid on, right? Pour it in. So easy to make. Got yourself a margarita. Who wants to come and taste test my keto margarita that's not on keto? Okay. I think she has curlers in her hair, so excuse her. They're going out tonight.
Eric had no pants.
Eric had no pants on. Yvette's got her hair in curlers.
Where's my other?
This is my D glass for Princess Diana. Billy went to her show and brought me that glass back.
Yeah, her live show.
Ready?
Yeah.
It usually does.
Ooh, I like it.
Okay. Yay. See, you can have fun and be on keto. And I'm going to tout myself again. Hopefully by this next week, when this one airs, I'll be down more than 14 pounds. But currently, I am down 14 pounds. And like I said before, I do dirty keto. Are you fucking with me right now?
No, dude, don't
Okay.
Just spicy keto, not very.
I do spicy keto.
I'm just looking at the
Okay,
ingredients.
tune in next week when I make keto
She's so drunk she doesn't know what she got.
Audubata. I think that's how you say that meat.
Audubon.
No, it's not Audubon. Audubata fajitas,
Ottoman Empire.
which are going to be delicious. I went and got. I'm going to show. We'll talk about that one next week. But thank you for joining us, Margarita. You can have fun and enjoy life when you're on keto. Don't forget to like, comment,
Live, laugh, love, and keto.
like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next week.